Hello YouTube, for today's video I have this non-stick sole plate iron. It's from Hamilton Beach. So you can see here some features is highlighted over here. 10 times more durable than the traditional non-stick, and you have 60% more steam. That way you can get those wrinkles out. Couple things to note here: you have this vertical steam too, and you have a really good rating for this product, and you have 10-year warranty. You have 3-way auto switch off, anti-drip, vertical steam, self-clean, extra long cord, 1500 watts. And let's see what's inside the box. I really like this color. I think the cord is also long, so that's really good, and I have a little bit of more space while I am ironing my clothes. So the user manual is over here, and you can see here from here you can just put the water and it kind of snaps, and you have this settings, what kind of level of steam you want to trigger, and there's a button there for different steam settings. As you can see here, it's got this self-clean button here, so it kind of cleans itself. You have this label here, so when you put the water, you have this transparent housing on the top surface, so you have this max fill. So whenever you pour the water from here on the vertical, and you see the water up to here max, then you just stop pouring the water. Really nice emblem over here. And so you have this setting here. You can see this round dial. You have this synthetics, you have silk, wool, you have cotton, linen, so really easy to use. And I kind of really like this style. It really has those small edges there that kind of gives you the grip on your fingers, and I really like this style. Really smooth. Try to reference that triangle, so that kind of helps you to make sure what settings are you on. We can see the back non-stick sole plate, and you can see all those pores there. From there the steam would start coming off, and really nice quality if you see on this iron plate. And I'm not sure what that is, scratch or something, but overall it's really nice design. You can see I really like this contrast with the white color, and really slick design. You have some rubberized material on the top on this handle. I would say it's not on the lighter side, but it's okay. It's not so heavy too, but it's not a lightweight iron. Right here you can see the hole from where the water kind of sprinkles. Some information about the product here: model 19800, series B1991DX. As you can see here, this cord is extra long, so I think this is fairly longer than my last iron, so I really like this feature. You can see on the bottom it has this nice base, so it kind of stays, it doesn't wobbles, and really pretty slick design. I'm gonna just plug in and see what kind of light we can see. As you can see, this bright red color LED light turns on. You have this self-clean. I don't think any kind of light kind of triggers. Right now I don't have water in the container, so I'm not gonna use the steam, but I just want to show you how the light shows. So there you go guys. Thank you for watching this video.